And so, millions of users are now experiencing error when accessing Canva. So, take a look at this. No? Canva is down. Kapag in-access mo yung Canva, meron siyang canvastatus.com. So, meron silang error details na users may encounter issues with accessing or using Canva. We are currently experiencing significant error rates which are impacting functionality in Canva. Our team is actively investigating the issue and working to restore full access as quickly as possible. So ayan, so sa lahat ng mga subscribers at users ng popular site and app na Canva, so hindi nyo ma-access ngayon, this time lang, because it is down. No? So hindi sila ma-access. Actually, Canva is a popular photo editing, video editing, AI. So, ang daming subscribers ng kanilang products kasi for marketing purposes talaga yung products nila, no? So, easy lang gamitin. So, it makes the work easier sa mga marketing teams, no? Kaya, yan, dami talagang nagulat bakit nag-down ang Canva. So, probably they will issue a statement about this on what happened. So, ayan.